Hello students, welcome to Metrology and Quality Control classes. In earlier classes, we saw the definition of metrology, objectives and applications of metrology, categories of metrology, need of inspection, precision and accuracy. Now, going to see in this lecture concept of sensitivity, readability, calibration, traceability, reproducibility. What is the meaning of these terms? How it is applicable to the metrology? Content of the lecture: sensitivity, readability, calibration, traceability, reproducibility. We will see one by one what is sensitivity and other terms also. Sensitivity. What is sensitivity? The ratio of change in output of an instrument to smallest change in input. Once again I am reading. The ratio of change in output of an instrument to smallest change in output. अगर smallest change in the input, if you giving to the instrument, that will give a change in the output. Change in the output. For example, if the sensitivity of the voltmeter is say 1 millivolts, then if you apply a potential difference 1 millivolt, the display moves. If apply less than 1 millivolt, the display does not move. So यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल ये बताते हैं, if you give an voltmeter, sensitivity is 1 millivolt. Whenever you are giving the 1 millivolts to the input to the voltmeter, then only it will move, display it will move, it will be give a reading. If you are applying less than that, so display cannot move. It is means sensitivity. So if any change in the input, then output will be changed. If there is no change in the input, means there is no change in the output. So in our dial indicators also, for example, if dial indicator, what happened? If the pointer is touched with the workpiece or a workpiece or whatever the job you are taking the readings, if you put in down to the dial indicator, when dial indicator touch with the workpiece, then only the needle will be moved. Otherwise it will not be moved. So the same thing here, one example we saw. So sensitivity means if you give an input, it will give an output. If there is no change in the input, means there is no change in the output. Readability. What is readability? Readability means it is refers to the case with which the readings of measuring instrument can be read. It is the ability of measuring device to have indications to converted into meaningful number. Fine and widely spaced gradation lines ordinarily improve the readability. Readability also can improve by using magnifying devices. If we are seeing here, so poor readability, better readability means when we are putting in the glasses or magnifying glasses, we will see a clarity. Otherwise, when we are taking the readings, we will take another reading. So that readings must be an readability. So you provide a gradation lines equally and with a big number, with a big one. So it will be whenever we are reading, that will be give a strike to our mind. Okay, this number is 1. So suppose in our scale also numbers are there. Whenever the 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 5, they will give a small big one, hyphen. So it means in a 5. Next 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 it will give a small big number line. What is the mean that one? So it is a number 10. So that gradual gradation lines must be clearly present on the instruments. If you have any difficulty to find the to check the gradation lines, you can use a magnifying glass. So the instrument must be, when we are checking the instrument, that time it must be read. कभी कभी हम लोग का क्या है, वेनियर कैलिपर अगर माइक्रोमीटर में हम लोग चेक करते हैं तो बच्चा लोग जो है कितना रीडिंग है बताओ, बोलने से क्या होता है, वो लोग चेक नहीं कर पाता है। कौन सा स्केल, कौन सा मेन स्केल, कौन सा डिवीजन है, वो लोग चेक नहीं पाता, क्योंकि वो डिवीजन ई डिवीजन जो है कौन सा मैच हुआ है वो लोग बताना चाहते। दैट टाइम यू कैन यूज ए मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास, इट विल बी गिवन ए क्लियर आइडिया। So when you are taking the readings, you must be careful to take a readings. Otherwise you have to take in a different reading, so that will give you a negative. So whenever you are taking the readings of any workpieces, any measuring things, you must be taken a correct readings by using of magnifying glasses and otherwise you can clean it before you are taking the reading. You can clean the instrument. If any dust particle, if anything will be present on the instrument, that must be removed. After that it will be clearly visible to the our calibration. Why this is necessary to calibrate the instruments? Process through which the reliability of instrument is maintained by comparing the instrument with known standards. So your instrument is good or not, your instrument is it is give a accurate reading or not, so it give a high accuracy or not, how you will measure, how you know that one. So here you see slip gauges, with the slip gauges, it is one of the process for calibration process. Slip gauges is always an accuracy and a high accuracy. Suppose it is in a 15 mm, that must be given in a 15 mm. So if the micrometer will give a 15 mm, so it must be calibrated. That is one of the process. If you don't have suppose calibration for 1 year हो सकते हैं, maybe 6 months, maybe 2 years. So because of we are using the instruments frequently हम लोग use कर लेते हैं, so that way that will give an errors. So every as a calibration period, after the calibration period you have to do calibration of instruments. If you are not doing the calibration of your instruments, that give you an error, calibration errors, right? So comparing the standard value, okay, how much it is value, so 15 mm, so it will be 15 mm or not, so that will be a calibrated. What is the need? Calibration करने का क्या जरूरत है? To take into account the error producing a properties of each component. Maybe whenever you are checking, so that time it will give an error. So if you calibrated the instrument, they will not give any errors. To take into account environmental errors. So because of based on the temperature, so based on the pressure, based on the relative humidity, that will give a negative errors. So that's why you must calibrated which temperature you are measuring the instruments, maybe 30 degrees, maybe 20 degrees, 25 degrees, which environment will be suitable for the instrument identify. Otherwise you are taking outside and 45 degrees temperature is you are checking the readings, means that will give a negative reading, different reading. So that's why environmental also will be considered this one. To understand detect error generated due to frequent use of equipment, because of daily we are using the instrument, not only particular 5 minutes or no. You are using the same micrometer from morning to evening from another batch also. So what happened? So whenever we are reading, maybe its screw may be loose, maybe some roughness is there, so maybe that will give an error. Maybe whenever you are contact the jaws, maybe jaws maybe having a ruptured. Maybe it is in maybe it is in a strike with the workpieces. So you are calibrated to everything. If any part is damaged, if any part in the instrument is not functioning well, then they will remove that part and they will put in another parts. Means that will give a calibrated readings to assure a quality of inspection during manufacturing process. If the calibrated machines instruments are there, means that will give a quality when we are checking the products. So whenever the inspector, who is the inspector checking the products, so that time the quality must be maintained. If any organization, if any agency, they will ask first of all, this instrument is calibrated or not. So every instrument in a particular period, the instrument must be calibrated. If calibration is there, means there is no problem for the manufacturing process. If any manufacturing difficulty will comes, they will ask the question, where is the calibration certificate for this instrument? If you don't have this calibration certificate for particular instruments, that will be that the product will not be accepted. So please remember, every calibration instrument, every instrument must be calibrated. Traceability. What is traceability? The property of result of measurement or the value standard where it can be related to reference, usually national or international standards, is known as a traceability. Traceability means what? So how you are measuring the instruments? Where is the standards? International standards, national standards, calibration and industry testing. Suppose if you see this picture, so traceability is going up, calibration it is going down. So traceability, so whenever you are calibrating the instrument, where is the standards? कहाँ से आप चेक कर रहे हो, इतना होना चाहिए करके आप कैसे कर सकते हो? So dust must be comes from the testing laboratory से हमारा calibration laboratories पे जाते. Next it will go to the National Metrology Institution, means national standards का, and then international standards. So if any industry will be there, dust must be calibration laboratories पे जाना, and then national metrology and then international standards. If you are maintain this particular position to from international to industry, so then what happened? So whatever the instrument, whatever the machines you have in your industry, that may be authorized, that may be standard according to the international or national or calibration. So these things must be maintained in industries. When we are comes into the traceability, how we can traceable, how this equipment is. So where is the international standards? Where is national standards? What is the value of the international? What is the value of national standards? If that will be certified with, that will be equalized with the national or international, so that machine will be ready for the manufacturing. Traceability can be used calibrating the measuring instrument by comparison within the accepted standards. Means what happened? So calibration करने के लिए तो accepted standard चाहिए. accepted standard कहाँ से मिलेगा? हमारा national नहीं तो international का कंपनीज से हम लोग को मिलेगा. जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स रिलेटेड का है, जो हमारा स्टैंडर्ड्स देते हैं, सो दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल गिव एन calibrated readings to the instruments. If they are not following this traceability, if anything happened, means it will be in a trouble and for an industries. Reproducibility. It is then a quantitative measurement of the closeness of agreement between the results of measurement of the same measurement carried out by changing the method of measurement, observer, measuring instrument, location, condition of use, time. So what is reproducibility? Reproducibility means आपका जैसा आप बनाया हो सेम एज यूजुअल एज, आप डायमेंशन चेंज ना करके दूसरा आइटम हम बनाते हैं, दैट कह सकते हैं रिप्रोड्यूसिबिलिटी। सेम मेजरमेंट हम लोग ने होना चाहिए, बट चेंजिंग द मेथड ऑफ मेजरमेंट, हम चेंज कर सकते हैं मेजरमेंट। पहले वेनियर से कॉलिक मेजर किए एंड देन हम माइक्रोमीटर से मेजर करते। हम चेंजिंग द ऑब्जर्वर, जो चेक करने वाला है वो ऑब्जर्वर में भी डिफरेंट पर्सन हो सकते हैं। मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट जैसे हमने बोले, लोकेशन में भी डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं। कंडीशन ऑफ यूज, टाइम, इट इज इन डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं। इफ यू सी दिस पिक्चर, how do I get the same result? Here one person is there, here is person is there. Suppose when he is checking the reading, it will come, suppose maybe plus 10 mm. So when he is taking the reading, it will come in a 10 mm. Means what is that one? Means the observer will change, method of measurement is changed, timing is different, condition of use is different. So everyone is different, but they want same result. They want same result. So this known as a reproducibility. It is possible, yes, if you have a good skilled operators, if you have a good equipment and everything is good, means definitely it will happen a same results. Because of every product must be in a unity, right? Every production must be a unity. Otherwise, if you suppose for example industries, different shifts are there, A, B, C, maybe 7 to 10, maybe 10 to 7 to 3, 3 to 10, 10 to 6. There are different shifts here. In different shifts, maybe different observer, maybe different operators to come to the work. So what happened? They will change the observer, maybe the inspector will be changed, maybe the worker is changed, but they want the same product, same dimension, same shape, and same particular dimensions. So that products they need, they have to produce the products. So reproducibility means you get the same results, Summary, little bit what we studied before slides. Just we see what is the sensitivity means change in the input, means change in output, means where it will come, smallest change in a input. अगर input में change है, then output will be in a change. Readability, it refers to the case which the readings measuring instrument can be read. So whenever we are reading the measuring instrument, it must be in a readability condition by using of magnification glasses and everything. Next one, calibration. What is calibration? Calibration, the process which the reliability of instrument is maintained by comparing the instrument, is known as a with known standards. Calibration means what? So wherever the instrument will be there, that will be maintain a standards maintain करके रहना जरूरी है. Traceability is the property of result of measuring or the value standard where it can be related to reference, usually national and international standards. Really whatever the instruments will be there, that will be maintained compared to the national international standards are there or not. So that will be helpful for the calibration. Whenever you are doing the calibration, the traceability will be helpful. Reproducibility means what? Same we will manufacturing the same equipment, but different conditions, different observer, different method, different environmental, different time. So but they want same product. So that we call as a reproducibility. These are the reference books. Yes. So refer these books. You get more knowledge about the sensitivity, traceability, reproducibility, readability, calibration. So whatever we are discussed in this, we will detail more depth in that these reference books. In this lecture, we studied concept of sensitivity, readability, calibration, traceability, reproducibility. So last lecture we study about टाइप्स ऑफ एरर्स में क्या क्या है. सो मेट्रोलॉजी में कहाँ पे एरर आ सकते हैं. विल स्टडी इन लेक्चर नंबर 5. थैंक यू.